Hey, this is a short video of how to install the Rage Cage quiver on your boat. I've noticed, looked on the internet, and you cannot find instructions how to. I've seen people commented on it. They can't find out how to do it either, so I'll show you in just a few short steps. First off, you got to take your old quiver mount off of your boat. Just lay that to the side because you're not going to need it anymore. Second off, make sure your sights are tight. Just go ahead and check them. Just make sure they're tight where you got the quiver mount off. It all depends on which sights you got. Here's the quiver mount for the Rage Cage. Here's 2 spacers and the screws that goes to your sights. First off, you want to lay this on here and see if it's going to lay flush with your bow. Get the quiver, kind of test fit it a little bit. And mine's got a nipple right there, so I'm going to have to use the spacers in it on both of them. This one goes on the top. Goes down through here. And make sure the long part on this is pointing toward the bowstring, because if not, it'll hit your sights. Be careful when you're tightening these down, because these screws will strip easily. You just want to snug them up. On the quiver, it'll mount either high or low. Due to the air rest I've got on my bow, the G5 shift, I had to mount it up high so it wouldn't hit. And what you want to do is, you'll see a riser on the quiver. Stick it in like this and just twist it and it'll lock in place. And that's how to install the Rage Cage quiver. Leave comments or anything on my YouTube page if you need to know any more, and I'll get back with you. Thank you.